share my screen. We're going to do the animation, and we're doing it in two folds. We're doing the animation for, please let me know when you can see my screen. And I'm just going to use free tool. And the reason why I'm going to use the free tool, like I said, I don't want you overthinking. The paid tools can be a lot expensive, and I'll show us why. So let's start with the free tool first, which is I'm going to the Flow app. I'm going to put the link in the chat. It's still under Google. It's the Flow is under Microsoft actually. So let me click on it and show us what it.
Yo, but charger my laptop charger. I beg you.
Google Flow
sorry.
app. Please, can you mute, please? All right, so this is what it looks like. Let me copy it and send to the chat. So you can, I'm sure you pretty much have an account. If you have Gmail, then you should have your Flow as well. So I'm going to put it in the chat. So for this app, we're going to use it for animating our AI and also using it for like animating UGC products. So if you are looking at going into UGC, or you are looking at creating content, maybe storytelling, you can use Flow app. It's free. The only thing is that you have to spend little tokens. I will explain that. You have to spend, for you to create like more videos, you probably might subscribe, but if you're going to stay within 8 seconds, you can still manage the free feature. So let's do the first one. The first one is you have your AI image, which is either a real image of you or your anime, like your character. So we're just going to use our character for the sake of this class. So I'm going to save this image, and I'm going to save it to my computer. Now, I have a content that I want to create. I'm not going to go into content creation. You know what you want to create in terms of your content. So I'm assuming that we do. If you don't know what to create, that's another thing for you to sit down. So you have a content. So let's use Biu, for example, Biola, because I know you've already created your stuff. So what do you want to use your character for? Why did you create it? What do you want to use it for? Do you want to use your character, or you want to use your real AI image? But why did you create your character? Did you have a plan to use it for something? Bola. Hello.
I'm sorry, I'm lost.
Okay.
Having a question.
Okay, let me go to Imem. Don't worry that you're lost. Since Imem posted that content in the chat, so let's just use Imem's content. Imem, where is the content that you posted? Okay, so let's go click on that content and like it for her. Please drop your social media handles in the chat. Follow each other, support yourself when you see your content. You all can always engage. That's the power of community. You see all those people that are making it, they're having views, and it's because they have powerful community behind them. So let's take advantage of any community that you pay for. Take advantage of it. Put your handles in the comments so that people can follow you, engage. So this is Imem's page. So let's assume, Imem, you are a very hot, beautiful nurse, and you want to talk about something. You have a content that you want to talk about with your anime, right? So assuming that you've created it, you would now go on ChatGPT. If it is ChatGPT that you're using to come up with your scripts, so you have the script. Let's say you want to talk about 5 tips for managing your mental health, for example, and
Right.
ChatGPT has given you the script of what to say. Okay. So ChatGPT has given you the script of what to say, because that's another thing. If you want to create your videos, you have to make it easy for you to say, I want to spend 30 minutes to create 2 videos. 2 things that you must have. First, that wherever you're using for your content is set up. Secondly, that you have your script on your computer. So just put your camera and record. Even if you're making mistake, keep talking so that when you want to edit the video, you just cut it out. So it's the same thing. If you're going to use your AI image, just make sure that you have your scripts as well, so that all you just need to do is copy the scripts. If you are not using your voice and you just want to use AI voice, you just copy the script and paste it and you animate it. So which is what I'm going to show us now. So I've saved my image. Now I need a script. I didn't create a content script for this. I'm just going to use a random content script. So let me see if I have any here that I can copy and use just for the sake of this class. But I'm assuming that, okay, maybe you have a script. Let me see if I have anyone. Thought I had one. Okay, yes, I think I do. So I'm just going to use this as for the sake of this class. So this is a script. I said, hi, my name is Maria. I help beginners learn how to use AI, create content and all of that. So I'm just going to copy this. 1 second. Okay, I'm going to copy my scripts. So I have my AI image and then I have my scripts. Now I'll go back to that flow. Have you guys been able to click on the flow? Who can access it? Just if you have, if you are not able to access, I think you have to sign up. But I think if you have Google, you should be able to access it, which is this. I put it in the chat. Have you guys been able to click on it? So this is Google Flow. And you can also create your images here. But here we're doing video. You can try the AI image here as well. So, we mentioned that you can try ChatGPT and you can try Gemini. You can also create your image here. So if you've clicked on the Google Flow that I sent, you should have this look. If you've not signed in, you should sign in. But just look at the middle of your screen. You see new projects. So click on new projects, and then it's going to open up this for you. Okay. I'm trying to see, I'm seeing messages here. Hope I'm not missing anything. Okay, you guys are posting your link. All right. So it's going to open up this link. Now, in this chat box here, right? You guys look at the screen, please. Don't take your eyes off. In this chat box here, the screen, you see a plus sign. If you click on the plus sign, this is where you are going to upload your image. Now, if you're creating image, you click on image and then you would upload it from your computer, or you're going to have it here, or you just use the upload media, or you're just going to click on paste. Oh, I've already pasted. Let me just paste that prompt here. Let me go back and get my image. Copy my image. I go back here. I click on the plus sign, and then I will just paste my image here. Or I will click on upload media. Why is it taking time? Click on upload media, take my image and click on open. And it will come here. Or I will just put my cursor here and just do Control V. I copied that image. Once I do Control V, the image will show here. So whichever way, let me take it again. The first you can do is click on the plus sign, click on upload image, and then you upload it from here. Or you can just do Control V and then you paste it from here. Now, the next thing you need to do, because we are turning it into a video. So if you look underneath here, there's video here. There is video, but if it's not showing video in your screen, just click on it. And then what you're going to do is, if you want to create an image, you're going to put it on image. Okay? Put it on image. If the image you are creating, let's say you're creating image for YouTube, for example. YouTube, please don't forget there are different ratios. 16:9 is for YouTube. 9:16 is for TikTok, Facebook, and what's the other one? Instagram, right? So these are the two that I use mainly, right? And then for the image, you just click on the image, you click on this 9:16, or you click on the 16:9. And then, of course, it's always Nano Banana. If you use Nano Banana Pro, it might ask you to pay. So just stay on the Nano Banana 2, and then you now paste your prompts, paste the prompts, and then you create your image.
Right,
But now,
sorry, Maria, I'm so sorry. I didn't want you to go too far from it.
okay,
So it says 16 by 9 is YouTube,
16 by
9 by
9.
16. Mhm.
Yes. No, 16 by 9 is for YouTube. Can you see how
To-
the shape is?
Yes, I'm
Yes.
seeing it.
So that's
I'm
if you
writing
are
it down.
creating image. So if you are creating, if your image, if what you want to animate, if the images you are creating are for YouTube. So let's say you are doing
Mhm.
and yes, you want to do a video for YouTube. You first of all create the images first before you animate them. So if you are using Google Flow to create your images, you have to change that. But if you are using ChatGPT to create your images inside your prompt, your prompt will have the ratio
Mhm.
16 by 9. But here, you are going to put it yourself. You put the 16 by 9 or you put the 9 by 16. So I'm assuming that the image you want to create is for Instagram. So we'll say 9 by 16. So it's just the other way around. So you're turning the phone. This is 9 by 16. Then when you turn it, is now 16 by 9. So
So
just like,
Instagram and TikTok is 9 by 16.
yes, Instagram and TikTok is 9 by 16. So
Mhm.
now we're not doing image here. We're doing video. But don't forget, you can do image or you can do video. In this one, we're doing video. So I'm going to click on video, right? And then when I click on video, I will leave it at 9 by 16. Okay. 9 by 16. Then leave it at 1x. Because if I choose 2x, it's going to increase my credits. So I'll leave it at 1x. Okay. And then I would leave it at 8 seconds. If I put it at 10, I can, and like I said, I'm managing my credits because like I said, we are on the free plan, except you want to just stay at 8 seconds to see what you can say at 8 seconds. If what you think is, if it's longer, okay, go to 10 seconds, but just between 8 and 10 seconds, there is a difference in credit. So you have to be sure whatever you want to write, because it's just for a few seconds and then you can just create it. But if you are sure that, okay, what you have, because this is my script. Hi, my name is Maria. I help beginners learn how to use
Good
and
name.
create content. So this can take up to 8 seconds. ChatGPT said it can take up to 8 seconds. So I'll just leave it. But if you think your script is more than that, then you can make it 10 seconds. But don't forget, see, there's a difference, 12 credits, 15 credits. So just be sure that whatever you have in your script, there's no mistake. You just make sure that it's exactly what you want to say in the script that you have. Okay. For the agent, you are not doing anything. You're not using it. So don't click on anything. Just leave it there. You're not using it. So don't touch this part. So this is my script and this is my face. And then I'll just set this, like I said, video 9 by 16. Don't do anything in the ingredient or in the frame because the frame you've already chosen what you want, 9 by 16 or 16 by 9. So just take that and then put your 10 seconds or put your 8 seconds, and then you can now click send. So if you click send, we're going to wait for it to animate. So this is just using AI voice to create this, right? You are not using your voice, it's just AI voice that you're using to create your content. And you just want to keep it like that. Now,
Hey, Maria.
somebody said
Sorry.
something.
So, yeah, for me, I can't see the seconds. What I can see is VEO 3.1 light, uh, the same 3.1 fast and 3.1 quality, all
Can you share
under
your screen?
Omnifresh. Okay.
I think you must have clicked something. Share your screen.
Oh, I see.
Are you sharing your screen? Okay. Let's see.
Yes.
Maybe you guys watch her screen if you're having the same thing so that you see what she has.
Mhm.
Okay, so yours is saying, can we start from the beginning? Let's take that arrow and go back. Let everybody follow you along. Let's not just answer you from here because you are using the
What
agent.
I'm even saying is not what I want to say. Like, this is not the picture I want to.
That's what I'm
Let me,
saying.
let
Can you
me,
just go back? Let us do it together. So go back so that
oh
everybody
yeah, let me
see.
close it.
Yes, so just click
Yeah.
on the click on the, yes, you've stopped sharing. Oh.
Yes, I want to share again. But now I'm a little confused. I don't know.
Just click on the
This is
link
not
that
the
I
screen.
sent in the chat.
It's okay. It's different groups or whatever.
Grace, why do you keep interrupting our meeting? I keep muting you. You keep on muting back. Want us to hear your family members' issues. Why? 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 Where are you? Let me mute you again.
Okay.
Uh,
Can you see the screen that I want to share now? Or
yeah,
are
so
you
yeah,
still
now
saying the other one?
let's see so
Okay.
that everybody can watch it in case they are having it. So open it.
So I've opened it.
We are
I
not
went
seeing
here.
your screen is not moving.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let me close it and go and share again. I don't know why it's
Okay, while you're doing that, let me go back and share my screen so that we'll see. It's okay, Grace. It's just that every time I mute you, you're mute back. Oh yeah, while you're figuring out Phoebe, let me go back and share. Let's figure that out.
okay.
Use the link that I sent in this thing. If it's not giving you, let's just hold on to it. We'll check it. So our
I
video
think
is
I'm good.
ready. No, she can hear. Are you guys here?
Hi, Mary. I think I have the right screen now.
Okay, but can you guys hear my AI avatar? Did you hear it play?
No, it's
No.
not
Yes,
playing.
I heard it for a split second. Yeah.
It's not playing now.
Okay, let me share again so that you see it. Okay, so let's play it.
Maybe
Hi,
I should
my
stop
name is
sharing.
Maria. I help beginners learn how to use AI to create content.
Did you
Hmm.
guys hear it?
Yes.
Hi,
Yes.
my name is
See the way I'm
Maria.
so
I
fine.
help beginners learn how to use AI to create content.
Okay, so you heard it right.
Can we
So
change the accent?
yeah, so you can specify in your prompts, you can put it in
Okay.
bracket, Nigerian
Please,
accent.
can you put
Can you
Nigerian
use your own voice?
Oh, so that's yeah. Let's not go to that one yet. Let's not. We're having too many. This is one class. We're still going to have more class, but I'll answer that question on your own voice. So for the Google Flow, let me show you how you can do that. Remember where I had my prompt, right? So I put my image and then I put my what's it name, my script, right? So before my script, I can put in parentheses and say use Nigerian accents, okay? Nigerian accent. And then I will now paste my scripts. All right. I don't want to use my credit because I'm in free plan. So you have to be specific. I don't want to use my credits because now you get to your tokens daily are very, very vital with AI. So you have to. So once you put that and then you paste your script, right? What exactly your script is. And like I said, your script can be longer than what I have. It cannot do more than 10 seconds. Did you guys see that? So you have to copy your first script, do the second script, and then when you now have everything, all the videos that you've done will just be here. So what you now do is so I have one video here.
Hi, my name is Maria.
So you
I
can
help
now
beginners
go,
learn how to use AI to create content.
okay, sorry, let me go back and show you what I wanted to share. Like that's one thing I like Google Flow for. Uh-oh, I need to click on this. What's that? Oops, this is okay. Yeah. So what I wanted to say is if you create your first video, you create the second video, and you create the third video, they will all be here. You can from Google Flow merge it, or you can just download each of them. So you download the first clip, you download the second clip, and if you are using your Instagram on your laptop, you just go over to create, go to post, then select computer. Oh, I didn't download that one. So sorry. Let me cancel this. Let me cancel it. Create post. Let me go back and download. So I've created first video. I'm going to download it. So you can just post directly, like you are not doing any edits because it's just a talking head. So you just download your
Hi,
video.
my name is Maria. I help
And-
beginners learn how to use AI to create content.
and then you can just go directly over. Is it your TikTok or your Instagram? And then you will click on create, post, select from computer, and it will come over here. Select the video, open it. If it's on your phone too, you can download it and let's select it. Let's wait for it to load.
Hi, my name is Maria. I help beginners learn how to
So-
use AI to create
Yes.
content.
Why is it doing like this now? Let's wait for it. I was even going to download, there's this app on, if you guys are on Instagram, this edit app, you guys see it a lot, right? On your Instagram. The edit app too is also a great one for you to use. You can use it directly from your computer. And this thing is not doing, I don't know. Does anybody upload from their laptop? Anyways, let me just go back to what I wanted to say. So you download the first clip, download the second clip, and you just join them together. And that's it. You post. You can do it directly from your Instagram. If you want me to show you from my phone, I will show you from let me show you from my own Instagram on my phone, because I'm assuming that majority of us are using our phone, right? So I'm just saying that just to just quickly, yeah, because you're not making any edit. You've already done your script and you saw what you've already done your script. So assuming there is no error. So when you do the first clip, you download it. And usually I think you can also join them from here and download, but see the plus sign here, you can add your clip from, if you have all your videos in your home screen here, this is where all the videos will be. So you can just download them from your phone, because when you are using the Flow app on your phone, it might be a little bit complicated for you. So just don't let it confuse you. Just download clip one. Once you've animated the first clip, just download it. You've animated the second clip, just download it. And the third clip. Always make it at least three clip. Then every other thing you want to say, if your script is very long or you are showing something, maybe you can do a voiceover, but just don't make it 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds is okay to say what you want to say using, the script and all of that. But that's one thing. Then I'll show us the next one. But I just wanted you to understand that first before I move on. Once you've animated the first part, you just go back to home screen, animate the second one with the same picture. So you attach the same picture and then you put your scripts, you put the next scripts. And then once you join everything together, it now becomes, a content. As I wanted to share my screen to show us, but let me take a question first. Shinyeri, what's your question?
Hi, Maria. Hi, everyone. I was confused how you got to this particular page.
The
This
Flow app.
is
It's in the link. It's in the chat. Did you click it? Oh yeah,
Yeah,
everybody go and click it.
I clicked on the link.
Fola, what did you send? Fola here. Okay, Fola, you've created your video. Okay, so Chinyere, if you click on it, click on the Flow app, you'll be on this screen. This is where you'll be. This is what it will look like. You might not have anything, so it's going to be this black. Then you click on new projects, guys. You see new
Okay.
project. That's where you're going to click on.
No, 1 second. Let me see.
New projects. And then somebody was asking that, how do you use your voice? Have you seen it?
So I clicked and it took me to sign in.
Yeah, you have to sign in. I'm already signed in. That's why I didn't show that part.
Okay.
I'm already signed in. That's why I didn't show that part. Okay, just look at it and see there. Okay, you created your animated video, right? So once you create it, you create the first part, you create the second part, and then you now join it together. You can join it directly from Instagram, or you can take it to CapCut. Do we all know CapCut? You take it to CapCut and join it, and then you can now post them together. Okay, do we have any question on that? So this is for you creating your talking head quickly and passing your message. So do we think that we're going to be able to do this? I don't want to blow our head. I don't want to blow our head with so much. So let me see you guys. Let me go and check your faces. Do we think that we can use this now to start creating our content? Then again, if you're just doing animated content, even without you talking, right? Remember what I said. Let me retrace it again. You have an idea. Oh, I want to create relatable finance stories or relatable medical stories, just like meme stories. You guys saw that page that I shared. They don't
Please.
say anything in the page. It's just, you can just watch the video and you understand. I'm sharing it here so that you guys can see it. You can just watch the video and you already understand what they are talking about. So those are short clips that you can even do for only 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. So how can you do those kind of things? So let's say you have a relatable story that you want to share. Oh, I want to share relatable nursing stories, maybe relatable, how what nurses do when they are in the shift, or what nurses go through, just relatable like stuff. So
Yes, sir.
you can just go on ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT your idea, talk to it, just tell it your idea. It will give you those scenes. It will give you those scenarios. And then you can just take it. I'm using the Google Flow app. That's what I'm using. I'm using the Google Flow app, and it will just create it for you. Okay. I'm using the Google Flow app. Somebody asked, I can put the link in the chat. Let me try to copy it.
Marie, what does the image do? You just showed us how to do the video.
And that's if you're creating AI images. So I'm going to show you, if you're creating any type of image. So if you want to create, let's see, let's use this example.
Like my nose image, how can I
Yeah.
use it over there? Or that
Yeah, so
will
just
be ready
upload
for me, or I have to
the same way you created it on ChatGPT. You put a reference and you put a prompt. That's the same thing.
okay.
Yeah, it's the same thing. It's the same way it's created the image.
Can
That's
you
how-
make a video with two characters talking to each other, moving
Yes.
around?
Yes, but guys, wait, let's take it a bit at a time. What we're learning today is how you can use your own character or a single character to animate it. Let's not do so much today, okay? That's what we're learning today. So the task today now is that